I'm the collision repair and refinish instructor here at Lorenzo Walker Technical College. I've been here for 3 years now. When I got here, we had a little bit of a project, and this was a program in rebuild. We've come a long way over the past 3 years, and we have still got a long way to go, but we've really made some big strides. We had some goals this past year that we reached toward, and we really, I think, succeeded at some of them. We had a student who placed first in regionals at Skills USA, and just last week we got back. She placed third in the state in the refinishing category, and we're super proud of her.
My name is Flora Rizzo, and I've been here in Naples since 2015, and I'm currently enrolled at Lorenzo Walker Technical High School and College. I'd say one of the biggest challenges I've had to overcome in my life is deciding what to do for my future, whether to continue in this career or look for another career, go into the military. And I can say I found the program, Automotive Collision Repair and Refinish, that has fitted me the best and has shaped me into the best person I can possibly be to this day. So for Skills USA Regionals, I won gold medalist, and for Skills USA statewide, I won bronze medalist, which means I'm the top painters of statewide for every place I know. And on top of that, I've been offered jobs from there as well, and I've been offered many other opportunities. I met instructors there. I've accomplished many other stuff besides that, and till this day I still keep learning new things, and I'm reaching out for the stars to accomplish many more things, and thankfully to CREF as well. They donated this welder that has also helped me learn new things. Until this day, I'm still learning something new every day.
Hi, my name is Rosalinda. So I started in Lorenzo in 2014, and I graduated last year in May in 2018, and my tech area that I did was auto collision, and it was one of the best tech areas that I could choose for myself, and it's been one of a really great experience that I had. The difference from when I left to now, when I came back, is the fact that they have more tools, that they're able to learn more, like with the plastic welding, that I wasn't able to do, and they're able to do more with aluminum, I believe. And it was something that I would prefer doing, considering aluminum is a really tough thing to do.
Hello, my name is George Baltazar. I went to Lorenzo Walker. I graduated in 2018. I took the course of auto collision. When I graduated from Lorenzo Walker, I was already on an internship. Now, 3 years later, I am a body tech of my own. Let me tell you a little bit about what this program meant to me. I came out with all my I-CAR certifications already done. Now I just sit back, see all the techs struggling with theirs. I was able to get Mr. Retz's help and help me accomplish all my I-CAR certifications. In 5 years from now, I plan to open up my own shop. With the knowledge that I gathered from the collision program, I will open up my shop, and you'll see it.
The students, the hands-on experience that they would have out in the real world. The way we run the program is all the vehicles that the students get to work on come to us through customers out in the county. So we don't have any actually school-based vehicles that they work on. Somebody gets in an accident and they don't have insurance, they can't afford their deductible, they're just not in a financial situation where they can actually take their car to a regular shop and have it fixed. Most of those folks come to us. We fix the cars at cost. We charge zero labor for anything. All we charge is for paint materials and whatever the cost of the parts were. So we try to give back to the community in that way. You know, we help everybody who tries to help us when we try to do fundraisers and things like that. You know, people that come out and you know, their students are here washing cars at car washes when mom and dad can't afford to get the car fixed. Those cars actually come here to us. So we have real world collisions where they have structural damage and stuff like that to fix. We want to make a world-class program for our students to learn in. We want them to have a lucrative career and really get themselves off on the right foot for the rest of their lives. We still need a few things. We'd like to get some help from the community. We'd like to get some help from any place we can to build the program to what we need it to be for our students. Lorenzo Walker Technical College is in Collier County, in Naples, Florida, which is one of the wealthier counties in the country, I think. But for some reason, the way the school district has things set up, that money doesn't trickle down to our school. We actually have some of the poorest population in the county that attends, and their children attend here with us, and we have to do everything we can to try to support the program on our own, because the state doesn't really fund us the way we would love for them to do. One of our big goals this past year was to try to get an aluminum repair station set up so we can start aluminum repair certification through ICAR. We didn't quite reach that goal. We just didn't have the funding to get the equipment that we needed. We're still working towards that goal. One of the main things we need is a self-piercing riveter, which is pretty expensive and wasn't in my budget, but we're working towards that. Hopefully, with a little help from CREF this year, we'll be able to meet the goal and get the program on the track that we've been building towards for the past 3 years.
As Administrative Director of Lorenzo Walker Technical College, my job is to ensure that our students leave us with the skills, knowledge, and traits that employers in our community find valuable. Our instructor, Andy Ratz, works with our advisory committee made up of employers who tell him that they need aluminum repair certified technicians. In order to be able to meet that request, we need to acquire the appropriate tools and equipment necessary.
I shared a little bit of our goals, our strengths, our vision, where we want to go with the program. It's organizations like CREF that really help us put the shine and the polish on the things we do, and have given us the ability to make the forward progress that we've made, and we hope that there is a lot more forward progress yet to come.
We are student-centered here at Lorenzo Walker Technical College, and no other program exemplifies that more than our auto collision tech program.
Thank you for providing us with the opportunity to share our strengths and our vision. Support from organizations like CREF gives us help and the ability to improve our program.